warranty to the original consumer. This Blade brand accessory will be freed from defects in materials or workmanship for a period of 2 years from the date of your original purchase of the product. If a defect covered by this warranty occurs during this period, GameStop at this option will repair or replace any part that we determine to be defective or no charge. To obtain warranty service and during the warranty period, bring the defective product back to any GameStop store along with a proof of purchase. This warranty shall not apply to if the product has been damaged by abuse, misuse, negligence, accident, modification, tampering, or by any causes unrelated to defective original materials and or original workmanship. This warranty is without prejudice to any other right granted to customers by applicable law. This product should not be disposed of in a normal household waste. It should be disposed of separately. Please take into electrical waste collection point for customers in the United States. This device complies with Part 15 of the FCC rules. Operation is subject to following 2 conditions. Number 1, this device may not cause harmful interference, and number 2, this device may accept any interference received, including interference that may cause undesired operation. This equipment has been tested and found to comply with the limits for a Class B digital device pursuant of Part 15 of the FCC rules. These limits are designed to provide reasonable protection against harmful interference in a residential installation. This equipment generates, uses, and will radiate radio frequencies energy, and if not installed and used in accordance with the instructions, may cause harmful interference to radio communications. However, there is no guarantee that interference will not occur in a particular installation. If the equipment does not cause harmful interference to radio or television reception, which can be determined by turning the equipment off and on, the user is encouraged to try to correct the interference by one or more of the following measures, which I'm doing right now. Reorientate or relocate the receiving antenna, increase separation between the equipment and receiver, connect the equipment to an outlet on a circuit different from that to which the receiver is connected. Consult a dealer or an experienced radio/TV technician for help. Period. Caution: any changes or modifications made on the system not expressed approved by the manufacturer could void the user's authority to operate the equipment. Product layout: Xbox guide, power button, start button, back button. LB button, LT button, left thumbstick, directional pad, 2.5mm audio jack, right here, right thumbstick, ring of light, this is this ring right here, start button, back button, power guide Xbox guide button or power button, RB button, RT button, action buttons. Okay. Plug the wire controller. USB. Okay. Here by WC. So from here to here, it's called WC. Here to here. Plug it into here. And that concludes our video of the setup of the Xbox controller. Xbox 360 Play, wire controller, magnet full air control, Caballero Cabell controller for Xbox. Okay.